Epidemic. The term epidemic is derived from Greek word epi, which means upon, and dinon, which means people. That is, upon the people, refers to sudden increase in the rate of which a disease affects the people of a given area at a specific time. एक गिवन एरिया में एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर कोई डिजीज का अपने उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रहने वाली पॉपुलेशन पे जो इफेक्ट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एपिडेमिक. द रेट ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज हायर देन द नॉर्मल रेट. When a disease has a high but constant rate of incidence in a specific geographical area, it is called an epidemic. There is no sudden increase in the incidence of this disease. In other words, diseases which is widespread and affects lakhs of people in a large area is called epidemic. It spreads very fast and is contagious because of bad sanitation conditions, low medical facilities, movement of people from one place to another spread it. Chemical explosions and fumes in the air during war are its main causes. The second one is pandemic. The term pandemic refers to a state when an epidemic that is not restricted to a given geographical area but is more widespread, that is national, international or global level. When a particular epidemic spreads at the global level, it becomes a pandemic. For example, the coronavirus pandemic, that is COVID-19, it has spread in almost 200 countries of the world. So it has become a pandemic. Then comes endemic. When a disease has a high but common rate of incidence in a specific geographical area, it is called endemic. एक specific geographical area में very high incidence rate हो जाए एक particular disease से, that becomes an endemic. Influenza. Influenza is a viral disease of infection. Its virus attacks mainly at the upper respiratory tract, that is known. It is capable to make genetic changes and thus keeps its genes immune. The existing vaccine. The Spanish flu of 1918-19 was a type of influenza. It killed within 6 months about 6.75 lakh population in USA, 2 lakh in Britain, 4 lakh in France, countryside in Alaska, and Southern Africa entirely perished. In Australia, it took a toll of 10,000 people. In Fiji Island, 14% of the population, 22% population of Samoa, 17 million people in India, and 22% soldiers of British Indian Army. Thus 2.5 to 5% of the human population with 20% of world population suffered. Influenza is said to be more fatal than AIDS because AIDS has killed 25 million people in its first 25 years, while influenza is capable of killing same number within a period of 6 months or 25 weeks. Census. Official examination of population along with certain economic and social statistics in a given territory and carried out in a specific manner is called census. It bears decadal frequency. Density of population. The number of persons per unit area or volume is called density of population. It is calculated by using the formula density of population is equal to number of people in a region living in 1 square kilometer land upon number of unit area in a region. Arithmetic density is the ratio between people and land. Agriculture density is the ratio between people and available land for agriculture. Economic density is the ratio between people and the availability of economic resources of any region, state or country. According to 1991 census, population density of India was 267 persons per square kilometer, while it was 324 persons per square kilometer in 2001.